Welcome back to Decoholic, where every corner of a home has the potential to become something truly beautiful. Today, we're transforming an ordinary porch into a cozy outdoor retreat filled with warmth, personality, and timeless charm. Whether you have a spacious front porch, a tiny patio, or a modest balcony, you'll discover practical decorating ideas that combine DIY creativity, affordable thrift finds, and thoughtful styling. Let's create an inviting space that welcomes both guests and everyday moments. Every successful makeover begins with preparation. Before bringing in furniture or decorative accents, we start by clearing unnecessary clutter and giving the entire porch a thorough cleaning. Sweeping away dust, washing surfaces, and refreshing worn-out corners instantly create a brighter foundation. This simple step often makes the biggest visual difference because it allows every future design element to shine without distraction. A clean porch immediately feels larger, fresher, and far more welcoming. Instead of buying random decorations, we first establish a clear design direction. For this makeover, we're embracing a cozy cottage-inspired aesthetic blended with modern rustic touches. Soft neutral colors, natural wood finishes, woven textures, muted greens, and subtle black accents create harmony without overwhelming the space. Keeping the color palette consistent allows thrifted pieces, handmade decorations, and existing furniture to feel intentionally curated rather than mismatched, resulting in a porch that looks professionally designed on any budget. The heart of every porch is comfortable seating. Rather than focusing on expensive outdoor furniture, we explore creative ways to refresh what already exists or discover hidden gems at thrift stores and flea markets. A simple wooden bench, vintage rocking chair, or second-hand bistro set can become stunning with fresh cushions, cozy throws, and weather-resistant fabrics. Layering comfort encourages people to slow down, enjoy fresh air, sip morning coffee, or unwind after a busy day. One of the most exciting parts of this makeover is incorporating thrifted treasures that bring character and uniqueness to the space. Vintage watering cans become charming planters, antique crates transform into rustic side tables, and old baskets provide stylish storage for blankets or gardening tools. These affordable discoveries add history, texture, and personality that mass-produced decor often cannot replicate. Decorating this way proves that beautiful design doesn't always require a large budget. Now it's time to make the porch feel truly personal through simple DIY projects. Handmade welcome signs, painted flower pots, customized wreaths, reclaimed wood shelves, and handcrafted planters all contribute warmth and authenticity. These projects don't require advanced woodworking skills or expensive materials. Instead, they celebrate creativity while allowing every homeowner to express their own personality. Small handcrafted details often become the most memorable features because they tell a story that store-bought decor simply cannot. No porch feels complete without the refreshing beauty of plants. Mixing different heights, textures, and varieties instantly creates depth and visual interest. Hanging baskets soften vertical spaces, while potted herbs, flowering plants, ornamental grasses, and climbing vines add layers of natural color. Combining evergreen plants with seasonal blooms ensures the porch remains attractive throughout the year. Greenery also creates a peaceful atmosphere that blurs the boundary between indoor comfort and outdoor living. Once the major pieces are in place, layering textures transforms the porch from functional to unforgettable. Outdoor rugs define the seating area, woven baskets introduce warmth, linen cushions soften hard furniture, and textured throws create an inviting atmosphere. Mixing natural materials like wicker, wood, cotton, jute, and ceramic adds richness without creating visual clutter. These carefully layered elements give the patio a relaxed, lived-in feeling that encourages family and friends to gather, relax, and enjoy every season outdoors. With the main furniture and decorative layers complete, it's time to introduce accessories that are both beautiful and practical. A small side table can hold your morning coffee, while decorative trays keep candles, books, or small planters organized. Weatherproof storage boxes help hide gardening tools, cushions, or outdoor essentials without disrupting the overall aesthetic. Every accessory should have a purpose while contributing to the porch's cozy and welcoming atmosphere. When thoughtfully selected, even the smallest details help transform an ordinary outdoor space into an extension of your home's personality. Your porch serves as the first chapter of your home's story, making the entrance one of the most important areas to style. A charming welcome mat, a seasonal wreath, coordinated planters, and a beautifully painted front door instantly create a memorable first impression. Consider balancing both sides of the entrance with matching elements while leaving enough open space to avoid a crowded appearance. A thoughtfully designed entry doesn't just impress visitors, it also creates a warm sense of arrival every time you come home. One of the smartest decorating strategies is designing a porch that easily adapts throughout the year. Instead of replacing everything each season, keep timeless furniture and neutral decor as your foundation. Then simply switch out pillows, wreaths, planters, and small decorative accents to reflect spring blooms, summer freshness, autumn warmth, or winter charm. This approach saves money, reduces unnecessary waste, and keeps your porch feeling fresh all year long with only a few simple updates. A beautiful porch makeover doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. Many of the most eye-catching pieces can be found secondhand, repurposed from items you already own, or created through easy DIY projects. By focusing on creativity instead of cost, you can build a space that feels custom-designed without overspending. Patience also plays an important role. Collecting unique thrift finds over time often results in a porch with far more character than purchasing everything new in a single shopping trip. As the makeover comes together, it's the finishing touches that truly breathe life into the porch. Arrange decorative objects in groups of varying heights, layer textiles naturally rather than perfectly, and allow a few empty spaces so the design can breathe. Fresh flowers, stacked books, vintage lanterns, ceramic pots, and handcrafted decor pieces all help create visual interest without overwhelming the space. The goal isn't perfection, it's creating an outdoor retreat that feels relaxed, lived in, and genuinely inviting. As daylight fades, lighting becomes the element that completely transforms the atmosphere. Warm string lights draped across the ceiling, soft wall sconces, glowing lanterns, solar pathway lights, and flickering LED candles work together to create an inviting evening ambience. Rather than relying on one bright light source, layering multiple warm lights produces depth, comfort, and a magical glow that encourages longer conversations, peaceful evenings, and memorable gatherings outdoors. Good lighting doesn't simply illuminate the porch, it creates the mood that makes the space unforgettable. What began as an ordinary porch has now become a cozy outdoor sanctuary filled with warmth, personality, and timeless charm. Through thoughtful DIY projects, carefully selected thrift finds, natural textures, lush greenery, and inviting lighting, every detail works together to create a space that's both beautiful and functional. We hope today's makeover inspires you to see new possibilities in your own outdoor space, regardless of its size or budget. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe to Decoholic, and join us for more inspiring home decorating ideas that prove beautiful living begins right at your front door.